ARP is the address resolution protocol, and it is used to learn a destination MAC when initiating a communication with a remote host. So as you remember, in order to send a frame, we should know the source MAC address and the destination MAC address. And ARP is aiding the communication by learning the destination address, MAC address of a host. ARP uses ARP requests sent by initiator host to request the MAC address of the destination host. A device uses ARP reply sent by destination host as a response to the ARP request, and also every device is maintaining a table which is mapping the destination MAC with the destination IP of the host. So let's see how an ARP request looks like. So let's say that we want to reach this IP address here, and in order for the communication to succeed, we should know also the destination MAC of the address, because we know the destination IP of the address. So when generating a ARP request, the source MAC address will be listed, the source IP address of the sender will be listed, the destination MAC will have values of all zeros, meaning that it is requesting the destination MAC, and we'll have the destination IP. And if we'll issue a packet capture on an interface, we can see how an ARP request looks like. So in this case, device 192.168.1.1 is asking for the MAC address of the 192.168.1.3. After the device received the ARP request, it will generate an ARP reply. And in this case, the source MAC will be listed here, and basically it is the destination MAC which device with IP 192.168.1.1 is requesting. So it would be listed here along with the source IP and the destination MAC of the requester and the destination IP of the requester. And this is how an ARP request looks like. Also, when ARP replies and ARP requests are transmitted and received, a device will generate an ARP table. And this is how an ARP table looks like. We'll have the MAC address and the address of the device. And the interface this is the output from the MX router. And you can see here on the interface, you will see here the interface where the MAC address was learned. So let me know in the comments if you found out what ARP does and why ARP has such an important role in the networking world.